Jai Shri Ram. Today we're going to see the first three slokas from the Ayodhya Varnana Sarga of the Bala Khanda. The slokas goes like this. Sarva Purvamiyam Esham Asit Kritsna Vasundara Prajapatim Upadaya Nrupanam Jayashalinam Esham Sagaro Nama सागरो येन खानितः षष्टिः पुत्रसहस्राणि यं यान्तं पर्यवारयन् इक्ष्वाकूणाम् इदं तेषां राज्ञां वंशे महात्मनां महदुत्पन्नम् आख्यानं रामायणमिति श्रुतम्. These slokas mean once upon a time this entire earth with all its islands was under the victorious kings, starting from Prajapati. Among them, one king named Sagara is well known for digging the oceans and whose 60,000 sons supported all his actions and wishes. In the dynasty of such Ikshvaku kings, this highly revered and reputed epic Ramayana has originated. The word by word meaning goes like this. Purvam, once upon a time. Iyam, this. Kritsna Vasundara, entire earth. Sarva, encompassing everything. Asit was reigned. Esham, by those. Jaya Shalinam, victorious. Nrupanam, kings. Prajapatim Upadaya, beginning from Prajapati. Esham, in that dynasty. Sa, a king. Nama, by name. Sagaraha, Sagara. Ena, by whom. Sagaraha, the ocean. Kanitaha, was dug. Yam, whose. Shashti Putra Sahasrani, 60,000 sons. Parya Varayan, came around him or supported him. Yantam, of all his actions. Vamshe, in the lineage. Tesham, of. Rajnyam, kings. Mahatmanam, with great souls. Ikshvakunam, of the Ikshvaku dynasty. Idam, this. Akhyanam, epic. Ramayanam iti Shrutam, known as Ramayana. Mahadutpannam, was created or arose. Jai Shri Ram.